Hello, I'm Dr. Arif Yastani, Professor in the Department of Orthodontics and Dentofacial Orthopedics, Sri Balaji Dental College and Hospital, Chennai, India. The title of my article is Accelerated Orthodontics with Alveolar Decortication and Augmentation, a case report. This case report of mine reiterates the fact that accelerated osteogenic orthodontics, which is a combination of selective alveolar decortication and periodontal alveolar augmentation with a bone graft in conjunction with good orthodontic biomechanics, indubitably and efficaciously produces rapid orthodontic tooth movement. A 29-year-old female patient presented with the complaint of increased bimaxillary dentoalveolar protrusion and excessive spacing in the maxillary and the mandibular dental arches. She readily agreed for this AOO procedure on being presented with the proposal that her malocclusion could be treated in just 1/3 the time required for conventional orthodontics. Pre-adjusted HVIS appliance, Ross prescription 0.022 into 0.028 inch slot was strapped up a week prior to the surgical procedure. The surgical procedure was so performed such that full thickness flaps were reflected in the maxillary and the mandibular dental arches, and the alveolar bone was selectively decorticated and periodontally augmented with a bone graft. Sutures were removed after a period of about 2 weeks and the orthodontic treatment was commenced. Orthodontic adjustments were made every 2 weeks. From the initial bracketing to the debracketing, the entire orthodontic treatment procedure was just about 7 months. The rapid orthodontic tooth movement that was observed was most probably attributed to the regional accelerative phenomenon triggered by the selective alveolar decortication, and the periodontal alveolar augmentation with the bone graft had repaired the bony dehiscences and increased the volume of the alveolar bone. The advantages of the AOO procedure are that there is an effective maintenance of an adequate zone of gingival attachment, no gingival recession, good interdental papillae, no loss of tooth vitality, and no apical root resorption. Relapse is minimized as the volume of the alveolar bone is increased with the bone graft. Initial lack of mineralization is adequately compensated with continued mineralization in the retention period. Since the overall treatment time was reduced, bacterial time load factors too was reduced, and there was a consequent decrease in the incidence of caries and infection. In conclusion, the implementation of accelerated osteogenic orthodontics as a treatment modality had caused the teeth to move 3 to 4 times faster with a shortened treatment duration of just about 7 months. AOO is indispensable for those patients who desire the benefit of orthodontic treatment within a short period of time, and it is invariably a useful adjunct in an orthodontist armamentarium. Thank you.